Okay, we are at 10A South Fraser Circle in Aurora. Today is March 12, 2026 at 11:15 a.m. We're checking this main sewer line after sewer repair. Okay, we have the camera right now is at 68 feet. There is a transition. We have a very good transition right there. Actually, we're running water. You can see it's a really good flow. So there's a transition clay pipe to SEWER plastic, 68 feet. Okay. Looks really good. Okay, here is the main city tap connection, 74 feet. There's a good transition right there. No more cracks, no more offsets in the line. Looks in good working conditions. Okay, let's pull the camera back now. The rest of the pipe is clay pipe with transition to cast iron inside the house. That looks pretty decent. No issues. There is a transition, cast iron to clay. We have a good transition there. The flowing is still looking good. All right, thank you for watching.